Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler transmission fluid. First, gather all your tools, including a drain pan, a suitable wrench, and the correct new transmission fluid. Always ensure your Jeep is on a level surface and securely supported on jack stands for safety. Refer to your owner's manual to confirm the precise fluid type and the exact amount needed for your specific model. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Once prepared, locate the transmission drain plug, typically found on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to catch all the old fluid. Slowly and carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the fluid to drain completely. Be mindful that the fluid might be warm, so take precautions to avoid burns. Let it drain until only a slow drip remains. After draining, remove all the transmission pan bolts and carefully lower the pan. This will expose the old transmission filter, which you should remove and replace with a new one. Clean the pan thoroughly and install a new pan gasket. Then, carefully reattach the transmission pan, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque to prevent leaks. This step is vital for proper sealing. Now it's time to refill your transmission with the new, correct fluid through the dipstick tube. Add the recommended amount, then start your Jeep's engine and cycle through all the gears, pausing briefly in each to circulate the fluid. Finally, recheck the fluid level on a level surface, adding more if necessary, until it reaches the full mark. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.